Welcome to Ngobotonten Sharp Eyes channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey tada, Organjan Bafit for life. This is Ngobotonten Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Orlando Pirates 0, Pyramid 0. CAF Champions League first semi-final. My brother, how's it?
Shabunjan program.
Sharp, thanks man. Yeah.
VAR sayibonga. Hey, sayibonga VAR. No. Yeah.
If it wasn't for it, Gabo 1-0. 2-0. Oh yeah, 2-0. Exactly.
First half mfethu labantu iPirates bayekile mfethu. iPirates was on top of those people.
Yeah.
And labantu basibonisa respect first half.
Big time.
And it was controlling game. You understand? In all situations, especially in the midfield. Labantu midfield yabo beyivuza program. Amabhola amaningi sikwazile ukuwapusha siye final third. Mase final third amajita wa final awaqedeleni. Second half ithema ma City must puma. It was difficult because nabo manje bebase change game for izo suitable. You understand? And bebazi nabo ukuthi singakora nje 1. Then into engiyibonile ngalabantu labo ama player khona akwazi ukufunda igame selibile iqhubeke we understand and abajahanga basiyekile sadlala no ilo block yabo beyihlakaniphile ifo khona and then ibhola la khona bakhona ugalwele number 9 wabo number 9 ugudla number 9 and usokolisile lapha kulentuzana usokolisile ku bathini lento le ngo-defender lethu uSibisi because bekamsokolisa bekamgijimisa kakhulu khona le bhola leli akwazile ukudlula ampori kwakoro uyabona so ilentuzana bathini isystem edlala ilamachita lawo mangi-analyze nathi sibe ne-game plan for bona sazile ukuthi first half must belong to us but manje problem we did not utilize ama-chances lawo besiwatholile so manje second half mana baphuma nge-reason bangane ukuthi lawo masingashaya 1 siyavala masiqeda masifika le Egypt kuzoba angeke kube lula futhi kumele manje sisibone mhlawumbe up until ama-penalty yayibona lento leyo and angeke sidlale open game nabo Egypt because angeke silunge and nabo manje bazaba ne-crowd yabo ngala whereby la befana ngabe capitalize with everything we had. You know what I mean? So I mean uma basuzamile mina I can't blame angeke mina ngisingela ukuthi ama player no uzamile first half then ungwana siswa ngena second half naye aphutha kancane ngisakhuluma
sizenza kuwena
second half makangena ungwana siswa uzamile kodwa naye but I think for me it was a little bit too late yabo because unkotha naye bekaseka panic amabhola makawathola awaluza angakwazi ukwa utilize the way fanaka utilize yabo so overall the game be tough. You can't run away from it, but VAR is way because la ngabe siphume sishawe 2-0 and at the end of the day we have to sibone ukuthi what do we do and game plan because nabo manje basiputhe on the back foot yabona and manje komele ukuthi sibone ukuthi senze njani but I think uZivero ngiyamthemba uzoza ne game plan ehlakaniphile will able ukuthi manje second leg sibone ukuthi senzani kanjani yabona ngoba amajita nawo njomba babonile Vandag ukuthi kwenzakala and supportile Vandag iFNB sisiqwalisa yabona bayazi na ukuthi sinawo so asithembe ukuthi ngale kuzenzeka umehluko uRivero uzofaka ischeme eso7 mina I don't like to criticize into ezingangifuni because angisicoach yabo but well played amajita siyabonga iVAR lo umuntu
all the best again.